Hello students, welcome you all. Again I am here. Don't fear, I am with you. We'll go together. We'll learn how to integrate a function which is difficult as according to some people. So let us make it easy.
Hello students, today we will study about process of integration. Integration is opposite of your differentiation. So differentiation is getting the derivative and integration is getting antiderivative. So let us start. So what is integration? Integration is process of getting antiderivative of a function, or we say integral of a function. Now I am starting from a simple example, and your familiar function derivative of cos x, we write d2 dx is equal to sine minus sine x. Derivative of Hello students, today we will study about integration. Integration is opposite of differentiation. You have studied differentiation. Differentiation is getting the derivative of a function. Integration is getting the antiderivative. We will go opposite of it. So let us start from a simple example. So we also call it integral, antiderivative. So integration is process of getting a integral of a function or antiderivative of a function. So derivative of sine x is equal to, yes, it is cos x. And this is the symbol for d2 dx is the symbol of derivative. Similarly, when we come across your opposite of it, I'll come from left, and for integral I'll write this symbol. Integration of cos x with respect to x. Integration of cos x with respect to x is equal to sine x. So simply I am writing the opposite of it. Now again, if I write derivative of sine x plus c, you plus 5. How much is it? It is how much? It is cos x again. Derivative of sine x plus k. How much is this? Again this is cos x. But while I am writing the integration of cos x dx, I may write sin x plus 5, I may write sin x plus k, I may write sin x plus any other constant. What there was, I don't know. So I'll write sin x plus a constant, and we say it arbitrary constant, and it is denoted by c. This is denoted by c. So if I want to write it now, what is your general integration? I can write in this way. For derivative I am writing derivative of function is your f dash x, but integration of f dash x, the derivative is equal to what? It is fx plus a constant, that is c. So this is the concept of your integral. So for integration, again I repeat, this symbol must be there. One integration, and with respect to x, here there will be function which one you want to integrate. Let us start from other examples. Let us take some more examples. So we will write all the antiderivative of the function what you have learnt in derivatives. So derivative of x is equal to 1. So integration of 1 with respect to x is equal to x plus c. Similarly, dt dx of dt dx of x square, it will be twice x. This implies that twice dx integration with respect to x is equal to x square. Now if I write integration of only integration of x cube is equal to 3x square. Now this implies that integration of 3x square dx is equal to x cube. Is it right I have written? No, I have missed your constant. You have to write the constants here, then it will be correct. Now see this line very carefully. This is your 2x integration is x square. But if it would be only x, so what I should write? Observe it and tell me. If it is x dx, then x square plus c. If it is x dx, then it will be, yes, you are correct, x square by 2 plus c. X square plus c. Similarly, see this example now. Integration of 3x square is equal to x cube. So integration of only x square will be how much? Only integration of x square will be, this 3 will be divided here. I can write x cube by 3. Okay. Now you tell me what I'll write if x to the power n. So what will be x? If it will be x cube, it will be x4 by 4. If it will be x 5, x to the power 6 by 6. Just see, it is 1, then 2 by 2. It is 2, 3 by 3. So if I write x to the power n integration, so what will be the answer? It will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this is the integral formula you can apply for all the polynomials. So let us try for some questions. So we'll do all these polynomial integrals with that formula. What was the formula? Formula was x to the power n dx integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. X to the power n plus 1, I am writing again here. You may not see for your reflection of light because I have not that all technology for this. So n plus 1 plus c, but by request of many parents I am doing a lesson. Now this is the formula. So now tell me, if it is under root x, what will do? Under root x means square root of 1 by 2 power x to the power half. If it is x to the power half and I will put this formula in place of n, there is half, that will be x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. You can simplify, you can take 2 to numerator. Similarly, next I will go to x to the power 3 by 2. I hope you can get it now. It will be 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So certainly this will be 5 by 2. So it will be x to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. If it is x to the power 5, it will be x to the power 6 by 6. Now what will be this? What will be integration of 1 by x dx? Shall I write x to the power minus 1? No, I won't write, because we know that it is the derivative of some function. Can you recall? Yes, it is log x. So I'll write 1 by x integration is log x plus c. So next we'll go for some general derivative and we'll go for integration. So 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. So never try it is minus 1 power. When you won't get the answer, it will be derivative of log x is 1 by x. So integral of 1 by x is equal to log x. So you can see some functions on the screen. You can write the derivative and you can go in opposite direction to find the antiderivative. Try to do yourself, otherwise I am there to help you. So first is derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Just now we discussed. This implies that I'll go opposite. So integration of 1 by x is equal to log x plus c. Similarly, e to the power x is a very user friendly function. E to the power x derivative is e to the power x. So it's very easy now. Integration of e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. Now what is the derivative of a to the power x? A to the power x, if you recall, it will be a to the power x log a. So if there will be only a to the power x, then log a will be divided. So integration of a to the power x dx is equal to a to the power x by log a plus c. Now derivative of tan x. So to do the integration, you must remember or recall all the functions derivative. Tan x is equal to sec square x. So this implies that integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. So you can write in this way all the derivatives you know, you can convert into integrals. Now if the question is dt dx, it will be tan square x. So let us do a brainstorming. If it is tan square x, there is no such formula for tan square x. You don't know whose derivative is tan square x. So it is there to help you. You can convert tan square x in this function. So I'll write this is sec square x minus 1. So there are two functions, so two integrals. I'll write this is integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. So this will be tan x. And what is the integration of 1? It is x. So minus x plus c. So next we will do some more integration. So let us go for some more trigonometric functions. So dt dx of sine 2x is equal to cos 2x. Is it cos 2x? Only cos 2x? No, it is twice cos 2x, because you have to apply the chain rule. It will be again derivative of this. So when I will integrate cos 2x, it will be how much? It will be sine 2x and 2 will be divided here plus c. So whatever will be coefficient we are getting in the denominator. Similarly, cos 3x. So you can guess the answer now. It will be sine 3x by 3. If it is integration of cos 5x plus 4. If you know, you can pause the video, you can write yourself, you can compare now. So this will be sin 5x plus 4 by over coefficient of x. It will be 5. Directly you can go on writing. If it is cos 3 minus 4x, cos minus 4x, so it will be sin 3 minus 4x upon minus 4, because the coefficient of 4 is minus, so it will be minus 4. And you don't forget to write down this c at the end. It will be okay. So you can see a question now. We have finished the fundamentals. Now we'll go for the questions. This is a textbook question and you will apply your knowledge, how much you have learnt till now. So what we'll do here, we will expand with the whole square formula. What is square root of x? It is x. What is square root of 1 by root x? It is again x. And it will be 2 multiplies root x into root x. It will be only 2. Next is, when there are many functions in the integral, you can integrate individually. First is integration of x. Next is integration of 1 by x. Next is integration of 2. Integration of x will be as polynomial. What was the formula? X to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I am writing again. Integration of x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here it is 1, so 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. So it will be simply x square by 2. But I'll request you to remember this as a formula so that you will be very fast in doing maths. Next is 1 by x. 1 by x, you know that it is log x. Log x derivative is this. Next is dx integration. Dx integration is x. 2 dx integration is 2ix x. So this will be 2ix x plus c. So next I am writing, you can go on copying this. Next I will write another question. So this is another question from a book. This type of questions are there. So here you will go individually. Here you will apply the polynomial functions formula. It will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So n is 3 by 2. So it will be x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. And here you know that e to the power x is same, e to the power x. And what about sin x? Is it cos x? No, it will be minus cos x. Why? The derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So integration of sin x will be minus cos x. So sometimes we get confused. So here it will be like this. So minus cos x. Now we will simplify this. You write this will be 5 by 2. Write the answer 2 by 5. Then x to the power 5 by 2 plus e to the power x minus cos x plus c. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope you understood. Now you can proceed for exercise 1 in integration NCERT textbook. Thank you all. Next time we will go for next concept.